it has exposed speakers on the frames. So which means that if you're playing something of higher volume, Hi everyone, welcome back to Casting Vlog and welcome back to another new video. So in this video we will be unboxing this smart glasses. This is from Oakter and I ordered it on Amazon. So this is fairly a budget smart glass that you get for about 2,500 rupees. This has a touch control, it can play your music, it has a voice assistant, and regarding the battery capacity, this has a 120 mAh battery. And they claim that the standby time is up to 200 hours and play time up to 6 hours. The charge time is approximately 1.5 to 2 hours. And the Bluetooth range is 10 to 15 meters. And this is waterproof IPX4. On the box, this is printed 3,999. So please note that this is not a sponsored video. And I purchased this product for myself. And we will go ahead and test it. Let's go ahead and remove the box and we'll see what we get inside. So the first thing that you get is the box, which is the glasses itself. We'll keep it to a side and let's see what else we get inside. And the next item says Bluetooth Smart Audio sunglasses, and then this just tells about the different features and specifications. Along with that, we get a charging cable. Good that this is a USB-C, so USB-C to USB-A type. And let's go ahead and remove the box and see what else we get inside. You get like one cleaning cloth. Next is the sunglass. So let's go ahead and remove it from the packaging. This is what the frame looks like, 70 to 80 grams. You get a charging over here, which is this one. And if I remove this, so you see this is a USB Type-C, and you have power button. You get speaker, which is over here, and there are like two speakers. I think one is a speaker and then one is a microphone. Same on the other side as well. So you get a speaker and a microphone over here as well. We're going to test it right now. So this is how the sunglass looks like, and if you see on the left hand side I have this finish, and the rims are a little bit thicker, and then same on the right hand side as well. So in terms of the comfort, I would say it's okay. It's not a very comfortable one, but then provided if you use it for a longer period of time, I think that would give us like more perspective on this as well. Next, you have a button over here. So I'm going to press this one and we're going to try pairing this right away. So I pressed it for a few seconds and then it just says that power on. So I may need to connect this with my phone. So the pairing is really easy. All you have to do is just press this power button for 2 seconds, and then it would actually blink a light, which means this is on a pairing mode, and it should be on the internal side. So if you see here, there's a blue light which is blinking, so which means this is on a pairing mode, and then if you have already paired this would automatically just connect with your smartphone as well. Now coming to the design, I would say that it looks classic. It has that matte finish over there and no branding, but on the inner side you have a Oakter branding, which is over here. And apart from that, with regards to the sound quality, I just tested like playing a song. Here's the thing, so this is not a TWS earbud, but it has exposed speakers on the frames. So which means that if you're playing something of higher volume, or if you're talking to someone on higher volume on your phone or on the speaker of this particular sunglass, so definitely the person next to you would be able to hear what you're talking. This works best ideally for like lower volumes if you want to maintain that privacy. So I would say about 15 or 20% of the volume. So if you keep it within that range, and if you're listening to a music or if you're talking to someone, then yes, you can ensure some privacy. Okay, so the next thing is this has a touch sensor, so which is this one. And what it does is basically it does 3, 4, maybe like 5 things. So this is your volume control. So if you press and hold, this is going to lower the volume. If you just keep on tapping or swiping, it's going to increase the volume while you're playing your songs. This is also used to take your calls. So a single tap, you can just take a call, or a double tap, you can just hang up the call. You can also use this button to raise or wake your voice assistant. So if you have a Siri or Google, you can use that. I tried using it on my iPhone. So I tried to do a double tap to see if Siri wakes up, but I was not able to get that done. So I'm not sure if this would work on an Android device, but on iOS, I don't think it is very successful in terms of waking up the voice assistant, or there could be a problem with this particular unit. And then of course this is IPX4, so I think a little bit of sweat is fine, and you can use it while you work out, or a little bit of rain or something, so that should not be causing a lot of problem. And the next thing is, well, this is a photochromatic lens which actually came in the package, so which means if you're standing out in the sun, this is going to get darker. Maybe you're indoors, and then this would just change as a transparent glass, so which is fine. But the good thing is that you can also put your own lenses. So if you have a power or a vision lens, you can absolutely go ahead and change these lenses with your own powered lenses as well. If I have to share my verdict, I would say for the price, 2,500 rupees, I think it's a good deal. Well, of course, you have to compromise on the audio quality if you're listening to a lot of music. So you cannot expect that bass, you cannot expect that thump. If you're looking for something, then I think this is not an ideal one, and you should go for a TWS. This works fine for taking calls, and the call quality was really nice. So it's clear, it's crisp, and there is no distortion. So I really like the call quality on this one. So if you're someone who takes a lot of phone calls and don't want to have your phone always, holding up to your ears, I think this can be a great alternative to that. Plus, you can also get a lens. So if you're having like vision, or you want to use this as a sunglass, this works with that as well. So it's kind of like a 2-in-1 package that you get for like in one particular box. So you can definitely go ahead and try this. I mean, it's kind of like new in the market, but then I think based on the price that they're selling, it's not a bad deal. If you like this video, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Please put on your questions if you have anything in the comments. I will see you on the next one.